Digital measure tool for baby and adult. Price US $49.88 US 57% discount. The principle of the non-contact thermometer is to use the probe to detect the infrared temperature of the human body. Just 1 second will show the temperature. Advantages: 1. Germany precision probes, accuracy plus or minus 0.2. 2. Just 1 second can measure out the body. 3. 3 color to info the temperature, green, normal orange, slight fever red, high. 4. 2 model, body temperature, object model, water, milk, food temperature and so. 5. Avoid touch skin, convenient measure babies. 6. Storage 50 set. 7. Automatic turn. 8. Switch. Warm tips. Asterisk when you install the battery, make sure the mark plus or minus. Asterisk battery will not include, due to it can't be shipped, PLZ noted. Please check the link below to purchase your product now. http://htl.by/4LZ6C. Remember, you can take products within 7 days. You can check my other products.